Hi, welcome again to Teaching Clips by Marcus Sanchez. Please don't forget to subscribe. So what's in this clip? First, what are modal verbs? Second, what are the modal verbs to express ability and obligation? And third, how do you use modal verbs? And fourth, you have exercises and you'll find the answers. Modal verbs are auxiliary or helping verbs. They are also called modals. Modal verbs are used with main verbs. Look at examples. These are the modal verbs to express ability. Can, able to, with forms of the verb be. Look at the examples. Using can to express ability is correct. But in this exercise, you replace can with am able to, is able to, are able to. Here are the correct statements. Here are the models to express obligation and necessity. Must, have to, should, need to, ought to. Look at examples. The following are the forms of the models to express obligation and necessity. If your subject is singular like he, she, it, or you're referring to one person or thing. Has to, must, should, ought to. Look at examples. If you use I, you, we, they, or more than one person or thing, the modal verbs to express obligation and necessity are have to, must, should, ought to. Here are your examples. The following are now sets of exercises. After each set, you will find the correct answers. Have fun! To express the negative, you put not after the modals. Can't leave, can't stay, shouldn't smoke, shouldn't cut, mustn't work. To express the negative, you use not before able to. Is not able to leave, is not able to speak, or not able to smoke. You also use not before has to and have to. Don't have to stay, doesn't have to stay. These are now the examples of modal verbs in the negative. Ready for the exercises? Here is your practice. Change the following to the negative. Modals are also used in asking questions. To form a question, use the modal at the beginning of the statement. For example, Ali can do these things. The question, can Ali do these things? Statement, they should come very early. Question, should they come very early? Is Mila able to do these things? Now it's time for practice. Change the following to questions. After that, you can check your own answers. And thank you for joining me again. If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe to Teaching Clips by Marcus Sanchez on YouTube. Bye!